In this video, we'll be discussing the 5 common mistakes that people often make when growing microgreens. Microgreens have become very popular lately because of their high nutritional value and relatively easy growing process. But to get the most out of your microgreens, you need to avoid these common mistakes. So, let's get started. One common mistake that many people make when growing microgreens is overwatering. It's important to remember that microgreens don't require as much water as other plants, so be sure to adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Overwatering can lead to mold, mildew, and other issues that can harm your microgreens. Choosing the right seeds is crucial when growing microgreens. Select seeds that are specifically labeled for microgreens, as some seeds may not perform well or take too much time to grow. You can also choose to buy organic or non-GMO seeds to ensure the best quality for your microgreens. Microgreens require a lot of light to grow properly. If you don't provide enough light, they'll become leggy and weak. Conversely, too much light can also be harmful. If you're growing microgreens indoors, be sure to place them in a sunny window or provide enough artificial light. Overcrowding your microgreens may seem like a good idea to maximize your yield, but it can actually lead to stunted growth and other issues. It's important to give each plant enough space to grow and prosper. If you're planting in a container, be sure to follow the recommended spacing guidelines for your seeds. Knowing when to harvest your microgreens is important for both flavor and nutrition. If you harvest too early, your microgreens will be underdeveloped and won't have their full nutritional value. On the other hand, if you harvest too late, your microgreens may become tough and bitter. Make sure to research the ideal harvest time for your specific microgreens. Those are the 5 common mistakes that people make when growing microgreens. By avoiding these mistakes and following best practices like using the right seeds, providing adequate light, and harvesting at the right time, you can enjoy healthy and delicious microgreens at home. Thanks for watching.